Hi and Assalamualaikum. With me, Muhammad Afi bin Nordin, to discuss about Agile Workplace throughout this presentation. Steve Hogarty stated that an Agile Workplace gives employees the autonomy to do their best work in an environment that fosters creativity and teamwork. Goal is to give workers flexibility in scheduling and location of work. An agile workplace can have increased earning by rewarding employees for their performance rather than their job titles. There are several characteristics of an agile workplace. First, goal-driven. Successful adopter of agile working practice can explain their decision, priority and goals should be established for the business. All your stakeholders will appreciate the result of this method. Second, creative business are agile and use new approach in novel way. Many of your customers will be constantly remarking themselves. You should do the same by encouraging a methodical way by constantly trying out and refining new approach. Third, comfort while working cannot be overstated. Employees who are uneasy in their new surrounding will waste time getting used to it. There are four types of agile workplace. First, open plan space. Employees in an agile workplace are encouraged to work together and share ideas in an open floor plan. Team members who need to brainstorm together must have access to such an environment. Second, breakout space. The breakout space is meant as a pleasant place to unwind. These rooms are so versatile that they can be used for anything. Third, resource area. A resource area is a specific location in the office where various resources such as printer, scanner, and office supply are kept and easily accessible to workers. 4. Touchdown space. Touchdown space are ideal for focusing on tasks for a short period of time, allowing for quick laptop setup for less urgent tasks. In an organization trying to implement an agile workplace, there are several challenges. First, problem in team management. When leading a team in an agile company, it can be difficult for a typical team leader to balance team need and employee morale. Second, confusion in collaboration. In agile workplace, employee hot desk or work from whenever they happen to be sitting. This allows for the free exchange of ideas and the development of novel approach. Third, difficulty in tracking productivity. Old-fashioned manager had it easy compared to those in modern workplace where it can be difficult to monitor employee output. There are benefits in an organization effort to implement agile workplace. First is higher employee satisfaction. In an agile workplace, employees decide how to prioritize their own work. This will lead to happier workers who are more invested in their job. Second is increased productivity. The ability to relocate to a less stimulating area of the office quickly and easily is one of the most important benefits of a flexible work environment in terms of increasing productivity. Third is improved collaboration. Having the freedom to move around the office facilitates the development of new ideas. As a result, employees are no longer restricted to working from a single location. Fourth is better space efficiency. Making the switch to an agile workplace is an excellent opportunity to rethink and improve a floor plan. There are Scale Agile success stories to help prove the benefit of implementing Scale Agile Workplace, which is a Cisco company. In 2015, Cisco company used Scale Agile Framework (SAF) to apply Agile Workplace in its organization. Although Agile has been adopted by some smaller teams, Waterfall is still the norm for large, complex projects. To address this issue, Cisco Cloud and Software IT (CSIT) implemented Agile practice across their subrogation billing platform (SBP). With the waterfall method, the next group get to work as soon as the prior group is finishing. Disjointed part slow down the procedure. Longer than 3 months wait between release Requirement documents are often not finalized in a timely manner. Team fail to meet promised deadline. Late integration cycle lead to quality problem. Team member put in extra hour to make up for lost time. Cisco introduced 3 Agile release train in 2015 to address SBP, which is capability, defect, and fix. The 3 railroad develop and test individual feature within a single component to provide stable. Once Cisco started following the SAF methodology, started to release often and introduce continuous integration CI, they got a 40% decrease in critical and major defect, a 16 decrease in DRR, defect rejected ratio, a 14 improvement in DRE, defect removal efficiency, and there is no more overtime and the product increment is delivered on time. After implementing Agile in their workplace, the CSIT team saw a noticeable uptick in quality. First, enhancing the cohesion and concentration of team. Second, sharing the project status with the whole team increased accountability. Third, exposing the other team to what happened outside of their own and the ability to self-manage team. As a conclusion, there are many good reasons why you should immediately change your traditional work environment to an agile workplace. However, adapting to an agile environment might be challenging. Organizations are encouraged to apply this agile workplace.